Bo Circle B Farms. Back out here at the 1958 end. Found some nuts that'll fit this starter. I went ahead and took the water pump off. Let me show you it. I should have videoed it, but I didn't. There's the water pump. It wasn't but 3 nuts and it came off pretty quick. But I'm going to get this starter off and out of the way. That way all I did get this thing turned around, by the way. The little 3038 John Deere done a pretty good job. I've got to cut me some boards and let this front end down a little bit, or actually jack the rear end on up to get the front end braced up more where I can take the whole front end off of it. Get to the engine here. I think some of y'all been waiting on another update working video on this one. So let me see if we can get this starter off without it coming completely apart. See what happens here. Get the camera set up. See what y'all can see. Get y'all adjusted here a little better. Oh, hopefully y'all can see. It's a 7/16. These starters, I heard, will come apart in your hand. So let's see if we have a disaster here. All right, I'm gonna get a screwdriver. There we go. I'm out of there now. There we go. Let me get a nut on this before this thing comes apart on me. Here we go. There we go. Got that threaded in. Let's put this nut on it. Alright, there's the starter removed, which was really easier than I figured it would be. But there's y'all a quick video removing this starter. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, and share. It really helps the channel out.